I'm Jürgen Falke, Head of Bike Design at Merida. Behind me, you can see the O.Nine, the official team hardtail of our multivan Merida biking team. On this model, which is still in a prototype stage at this time, our team started the 2009 World Cup season with a triumph and finished the season with a victory as well. The O.Nine development followed three fundamental criteria. Firstly, the weight. Our benchmark definitely ranged below 1 kilogram. Secondly, very high stiffness, especially in the bottom bracket section, as lossless power transmission around the bottom bracket is crucial for racing pilots. And thirdly, very important, maximal comfort, as many World Cup riders tend to choose between fully and hardtail on the basis of weight, while finally opting for hardtail models. That's why certain comfort is extremely essential, particularly on rough race courses. During O.Nine development, frame weight was considered as a key criterion. As the name implies, O.Nine means 0.9, 0.9 kilograms respectively, a weight below 1 kilogram, which represents our maximum limit for each single frame. During production, every frame unit is put on the precision scale separately to ensure correct conformance to our strict weight specification. In fact, this happens after the application of lacquer and decals. Consequently, the individual frame weight is always indicated underneath the bottom bracket to attest the exact amount of grams. The extreme stiffness around the bottom bracket section bases on a combination of different technologies, among them the double chamber architecture of our main frame. A vertically positioned reinforcement rib divides the inner down tube into two separate chambers. This results in a mighty increase of bending stiffness. Our bottom bracket section is a genuine one-piece construction, from down tube and BB30 bottom bracket to the dropouts. There's no fiber interruption, as is the case of separately bonded chainstays, which are characteristic of the monocoque sector. The continuous fibers around the bottom bracket provide outstanding stiffness data. Pure frame weight is one side of the coin. Otherwise, the system weight is actually much more important. The frame incorporates also directly mounted components such as front derailleur or disc brake caliper. Right from the start of O.Nine development, our design concept followed the objective to integrate all those frame components in a preferably lightweight and consistent way. This starts with the direct mount front derailleur, which is mounted directly beside the seat tube. Due to its clampless construction, the actual derailleur is not only lighter, but also essentially more frame-friendly. In addition, the bearings of the BB30 bottom bracket are pressed directly into the shell. The direct mount method allows us to omit the heavier press-fit nylon cups, which would otherwise be pressed into the shell as well. And now the dropout as last component. Our post-mount dropout is completely manufactured from carbon and features only a minimum quantity of aluminium inserts. The dropout construction also enables direct mounting of a 160mm post-mount brake caliper without needing an adapter bracket. Besides extremely low weight and high bottom bracket stiffness, our third development objective was maximum comfort. The superb seating comfort bases on a special combination. On the one hand, the extremely low-profiled seat stays work like flat springs. On the other hand, the tapered seat tube reduces from mighty 40mm at the bottom bracket to slim 31.6mm at the upper end, which holds an ultra-flexible 27.2mm seat post. Thanks to its design and dimensions, the seat post itself provides, in package with the O.Nine's rear frame, a vertical saddle suspension travel of great 8mm according to Bike magazine standards. 8mm, almost 1 centimeter, are already more soft-tail than hardtail. In its first model year, the O.Nine was equipped with razor-sharp 80mm fork travel to meet the specific requirements of our team racers. Due to the current trends in cross-country and marathon racing, we've changed the geometry data by utilizing 100mm forks. This upgrade guarantees considerably improved chassis and handling control during challenging downhills. O.Nine is the final result of the most complex development process we've ever managed at Merida so far. The triumphs of our team pilots justified these efforts and make our O.Nine the fastest bike within the World Cup circus. So if you want to undergo your personal best time, there's definitely no alternative to our O.Nine.